What's good, cryptocurrency fans out there? Welcome back to the Everything Altcoin channel. Today we're going to be talking about some low market cap gems for you guys. These are all at 10 million and below, and that could go crazy. That has some great fundamentals, a lot of hype behind it. So let's get right into it. Well, actually, before we get right into it, I would like to ask you guys to subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. Hit that red subscribe button, turn that baby from red to gray. Don't forget to like the video, comment anything in the comment section down below. And today we got a good one for you guys. We got 5 altcoins that could be big in the future for you guys in 2021. Some are making big moves one is actually making a big move as of right now. Not as of right now, but the past couple days that it's been out, it's gotten a lot of people rich. But let's get into it. So first we're going to start off with Bondly, guys. Bondly is looking like it's going to be a behemoth in the cryptocurrency industry, guys. It's partnered with ADA to bring DeFi to ADA. Now it has partnered with Binance Chain. So this is something that's going to be big for Bondly. Bondly is something that you guys need to watch out for, because if it's partnering with the big guys like ADA and Binance Chain and still being on the Polkadot ecosystem, bridging all these blockchains together, Bondly is something that's going to be reckoned with, guys. Right now it's down 8.9%. The whole market is essentially down. There's only probably a few coins that are doing well. 2 coins actually recovered that I'm going to be showing you guys as of right now, but we're going to get into that a little bit later. But it is down 8.9%, 13 cents. That's not a bad entry price, guys. As we'll see later on, it's sitting at a $7 million market cap, still a baby in this crypto industry. While other coins are getting a lot of hype, people are overlooking what Bondly could be doing for you guys and will do in the future. Bondly is nothing to be playing around with, guys. So its all-time high was actually 30 cents, which was just 5 days ago. I felt like it was some hype. I think because they announced that it was partnering with Binance Chain or something. I don't remember what the hype was, but it pumped to 30 cents and now it's back down, basically back down another 2, back down to 13 cents, right? So it's easy to get it back up to here. Just at a $7 million market cap, it can definitely fly. Of course, like I said, the whole market is actually down today. So this could just be a little blimp on the road, back up to like 20 cents or something, because it was sitting, let's say, it was sitting at like 15 cents all yesterday or something. So the price is stable. It just needs a lot more action, and it will definitely fly, right? So now we're gonna move on to the next coin that is getting so much hype that is just ridiculous, guys. MahaDao, guys. It took a little dump today, but recovered so fast, it's not even funny. That's how much hype MahaDao has gotten. This was launched on Polkastarter, guys. Polkastarter is going to gain the attention of a lot of people just because of what MahaDao has done. MahaDao has made a lot of people rich. I even tweeted this out. MahaDao has made a lot of people rich. It was the second project to launch on Polkastarter. The third would be Royal Finance. If that does the same thing as MahaDao or even close to MahaDao, I'm telling you, a lot more projects is going to be looking to actually launch on Polkastarter. I think there's a 4th one. I'm not too certain. I think the CEO of Paid Network, which is a legal project for Polkadot, is actually might be launching on Polkastarter. So that's gonna be something interesting, guys. Like I said, let's go back to talking about MahaDao. $10 million market cap at 1365, right? Let's refresh this and see if I got the accurate price as of right now. You just seen it live, guys. 1424, guys. It just bumped up to 11 million, guys. There's no stopping MahaDao. I don't know what's up. This is something that we might just literally see $20 in like a day or two. The way this is running up in the past 24 hours, it's up 23%. 4 days ago, it was at $1.98. If you guys got into that, you're up tremendously. Like I said, MahaDao is making people rich. All-time high was $17, guys. If you was able to just, sell half your bag at the all-time high, you're sitting lovely. Guys, what is that, a 17x? Essentially 16 to 17x off your money if you got in at the all-time lows. Easy as that. Yo, altcoin season is just right here. This is just the beginning of what we can see and what could happen in this altcoin market, guys. That's just MahaDao. Let's go look at why it's like so popular. As you guys can see, a lot of people are tweeting about it. It is the first stablecoin platform with liquidity farming built, and obviously I was older, that it had a $1.5 million market cap. The competitors are Maker and RSR, which Maker has a $500 million market cap. RSR has a $197 million market cap, guys. If MahaDao reaches $100 million market cap, that is freaking ridiculous. Freaking ridiculous, guys. That will make a lot of people so much money in this market. People might just want to FOMO into this right now. I'm not gonna lie. I think I missed a boat, but that FOMO is hitting me so hard that I really just want to allocate just a little bit of money into it and see if it dips. If it dips even lower, I allocate a little bit more, because you guys just seen it. I just refreshed it and it just went up essentially $1, right? There's no stopping this coin right now. I don't know. It's gonna be interesting to see how everything plays out, but let's go on to the next coin. Now, Fyooz, I don't know how you want to pronounce it, Fyooz or something. This is another coin that actually came out the gate pretty strong and had a lot of hype, but it's still doing a lot of things. It's still building. It's being featured on the NASDAQ, Hypebeast, things like that. So a lot more people are getting attention to this, especially with, Meg Thee Stallion did that. Meg, the hashtag was it Meg Satoshis or Meg Bitcoin or something. She was giving out Bitcoin with Cash App. She partnered with Cash App to give out some Bitcoin. So that's it's already a popular artist, right? That's bringing more attention to the cryptocurrency industry. And now Fyooz is actually partnering with other people. We're going to talk about that. They already did the thing with Lil Yachty. Now they're doing one with Lil Pump, right? So it's sitting at 52 cents, right? At a $1 million market cap. It can go 10x from here, just off of some great news, some good hype, and you're sitting pretty off of 10x, right? As the all-time high for this was $4.45. I told you, it came out the gate hot, had a lot of hype, and now right now it has settled down. The all-time low was 13 cents, and that was just 2 months ago, right? So this thing is going to be doing some big things. It's going to be interesting to see how this plays out, right? Because of how a lot more, once the bull run, not the bull run, everything is being started right now. You see in a lot of people talking about it, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. You got Elon Musk talking about Bitcoin. So that's bringing a lot more traction to the cryptocurrency industry. And now you got a coin like Fyooz actually partnering with artists that has like $1 to $5 million, not $5 million, 5 million followers on Instagram, social media, and all of that. That's going to bring more attraction to this coin into the altcoin industry, into the cryptocurrency industry, right? So like I said, they partnered with Lil Pump. They did one with Lil Yachty already. I think it was like an NFT or something. I don't remember. But now they're doing something with Lil Pump. Lil Pump is doing a social token called Pump Coin. I don't know if this is supposed to be like an NFT or actual coin. I don't know if that you get like rights to it. But let's see if we can find anything. Okay, is banking on its 25 million social media followers to take ownership of a pump coin, which is similar to the recent string of experiments with social tokens. Will give fans exclusive access to the Colombian American singer, according to Fyooz. So 25 million social media followers, guys. I lowballed it and gave it 5 million, 1 to 5 million. I didn't know it was 25 million, guys. So it's an NFT that he's actually giving out. There you go. Auction on the Winklevoss owned NFT gateway, and it's on Winklevoss. You guys already know who that is. Fyooz is looking like it could be a big player in this crypto industry. Just at a $1 million market cap, this thing could go crazy. Like I said, it's being featured on some good publishing websites, some credible ones. Hypebeast, that's mainly for like the artists and sneakers and stuff like that. Then you got NASDAQ. That's the whole stock market right there, right? So now let's move on to a coin that I just covered for you guys. It's even taking a bigger dip than when I covered it. So it's not looking like a, right now you get to the point where the risk is getting lower and the reward is getting higher for Tylo, right? It's at $1 million market cap, a $1 million market cap, sitting at 11 cents, down 12.7%, guys. This coin could really change things for a lot of people that's just trying to enter into cryptocurrency. Why? Because it's a no code, cross chain. Basically, you can make your own DeFi application just off of Katalyo, because it has no code, and it makes it easier for people to enter into this industry. Very easy. It's not getting a lot of traction and a lot of hype, and that's why the price is at where it's at right now. But once a lot more people start to understand what Katalyo is actually doing and why it's so good, it can actually, like, a 10x is easy, because $10 million market cap is going to flood. It's going to get easier. But like, let's say all altcoins start to pick up, $20 million is even, it's not out the realm of possibility. That's a 20x from here, essentially, right? 19 to 20x from here, essentially. You're making easy money off of these low cap coins that actually have fundamentals, hype. MahaDao has a lot of hype and fundamentals. Bondly has a lot of hype and fundamentals. Fyooz just has, the fundamentals, no hype as of right now. It came out the gate strong. Tylo has a lot of fundamentals just off of what they're trying to do for you guys. If this could get crazy, you guys are looking at a milli maker right here. This is something that can make a lot of people rich, because I know a lot of people are holding a lot of freaking coins of this. As you guys can see, about 2 hours ago, the all-time low still is 11 cents. You're sitting at the all-time low as of right now, right? So like I said, the risk for this is getting lower and lower. Possibly, if we don't even break 11 and even go down to 10, you're sitting at the all-time low. You can get it at the all-time low, and you have no risk. You're just going up from there, right? You're just looking to go up from there. All-time high, 25 cents, which was just 7 days ago. That was just 7 days ago. Imagine what it could do when things get really hyped for it. I'm telling you, this is something for you guys to keep your eyes out on. Now, the last but not least is called Oriole Chain. This Oriole Chain token, this just came onto, I just got this, like, I just seen it. I did some research on it, and it was looking pretty good, right? Oriole Chain is an AI based oracle, essentially, right? Which could be pretty good. It's doing some decent things. It's partnered with Katalyo Chain. We're gonna look at all that stuff, right? Let me refresh it just to see if we got the accurate price. Look at this. Another thing that just has gone up, right? And the reason it's going up is because of what the news that they dropped today, right? So it's at $14.09, still at a $5 million market cap, guys. $5 million. This is very low for a coin that has, like, usage in the space that could get a lot of hype. Oracles, when they all start to run, you will see this get a lot of traction, because people are going to be looking for the lower market cap oracle probably to see if they could get gains, and Oriole Chain token will be one of those that actually will probably gain a lot of eyes, right? So $5 million market cap, all-time high was $27.79. We're not too far from that. All-time low is $3. This would have been a good pickup just 2 months ago. Now, 29 days ago, you got the all-time high, and I don't see it stopping, right? As you guys can see, big news came out today, which is why it jumped up so much like this, right? So, now let's move on to the little things, right? So, this is the news that came out today. Oriole Chain tokenomics. So, Oriole Chain tokenomics for V3, 73% token burn. That is a lot of tokens that are being burned, and that is mainly the reason that it's getting pumped like crazy, because it was at $10 and it's now, as you guys can see, at $14, right? That's a lot of coins for it to just burn, right? So of course that is going to drive up the price a little bit more. So now we're going to talk about the key updates for it. Basically, here you go. Oriole Chain has a long-term strategy and clear vision, which stands as the pillars to build a solidified foundation with stepping stones towards future growth. The AI, blockchain, and DeFi industries are at the early stages and expected to grow exponentially in the upcoming years. We are proud to have a long-standing strategic partnerships such as Rikisoft, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, Rikisoft, and Katalyo Chain. We already know about Katalyo Chain, which is a platform in creating even more network effects to further solidify further partnerships and ecosystem growth in the upcoming years. So Let's look at the following tokenomics for the Oriole Chain V3 version 3. Following are the main changes applied to the new tokenomics version 3. 1. 73% token burn. 63 million of Oriole tokens are being burned. Roughly 63 million, sorry. Right? Roughly 73 of the current total supply. The new supply after the token burn will be 23 million Oriole tokens. The token burn event will take place before 25th of December. So that is this week, guys. So we could look at a massive pump in Oriole Chain. Can't lie. We're gonna look at a massive pump, a new floor for it. So new things for it, right? There's other things here though, but I wanted to cover that. And you got the circulator supply, the principles of Oriole Chain, basically the long-term vision and stability. It's imperative Oriole Chain continues its journey as the world's first AI-powered oracle, and its business model remains sustainable over time. Right? So that's basically it. Now we're gonna look at the last thing I wanted to talk about. So AI industry growth correlation. The artificial industry is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 42.2% from 2020 to 2027, with software and services representing the majority of the market, according to the report from Grandview Research. Oriole Chain aims to develop products and services that unlock the full potential of AI and blockchain. And as we look towards disrupting both industries in the future, we applied a degree of correlation to the AI industry market growth in Oriole Chain tokenomics. So this is going to be interesting. This is basically the first AI powered oracle, right? So it's going to be kind of interesting to see how that plays out in the oracle space. Will they get bigger than the other oracles? I covered a few oracles that are especially on the Polkadot platform. So it's going to be interesting to see how these all play out, right? Now, what's coming next? Oriole Vault locked rewards discontinuation. At present, the Oriole Vault on Live Finance has an allocation of 2,000 daily Oriole tokens. The token lock reward portion is 75% of the total. Will be discontinued and only the unlocked portion will remain. This will effectively reduce the total Oriole rewards to 500 daily. This update will take effect on the December 25th. So as you guys can see, that is the Oriole Vault. That is the change that's coming to their vault. Then they have LME rewards. So you're going to have option 1. The unlocked rewards will continue to be released until February 28th, 2021. The locked rewards portion will be discontinued. This will take effect on January 1st, 2021. The locked rewards will be available on this date. Option 2, both unlocked and locked rewards will continue to be distributed until February 28, 2021, with a new API of 1/4 of the existing one. So your current API is 0.25%. Locked LME rewards will be available on the starting March 1st, 2021. Then you're going to have the yield farming program, which is coming, will be launched before the end of 2020 to incentivize liquidity providers. It will use the Oriole ETH pair. More details will be coming in the following days. So basically that's all that's coming for the Oriole Chain. That is the update, the latest update that came out today. It's a 7-minute read, so if you guys want to check out that, I'll link it in the description down below for you guys. But that's basically my 5 altcoins for you guys. Low market altcoins that will go crazy by the end of 2020, going into 2021. That has a lot of hype. A few of them have a lot of hype, but these coins can go crazy for you guys. Could give you your profile crazy multipliers, 10x, 20x, 30x. If you get like 3 of these to the 10x, that's 30x your portfolio, all in general. If you get all 5 of them, that's 50x. Your portfolio just now 50x, guys. Think about that. Just a 10x. That's just asking for a 10x. From some of them from 1 million to 10 million, another from 10 to 20. Now, if you're able to compound all of these, you could get 100x by the end, maybe by the middle of 2021. Things will get interesting in this whole new bull run that we in, this bull season. Things we learned everything from 2017. Take your profits when you feel like you need to take your profits, but don't try to take the profits too early. Realize these gains, hold them in, then take the profits, and just let's all get rich in 2021, guys. That is the main goal. Let's get rich and let's get things right. All right, guys, that's the video for you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Are there any other altcoins that are under a $10 million market cap, or even at a $10 million market cap? Could even be a $15 million market cap that I haven't covered. Leave your thoughts in the comment section down below about them. Don't forget to like the video, comment anything in the comment section down below, and I'll check you guys later. Peace, YouTube.